Welcome back to another crypto video. Alright then, so today we're going to check out a layer 2 infrastructure project, and this is a new one on the channel. Actually, it's Flux, and as you can see, it's a decentralized Web3 next generation computational network, and they've already got 4,724 nodes running here on the decentralized infrastructure. That's pretty cool to see. If you are new here, by the way guys, smash that subscribe button, do the channel a favor as well, hop into the Discord channel if you want to. That'd be very much welcome you to do so. So we're going to look at Flux today because it's one of the new ones. It's a very small cap. It's around 250 million market cap. So there's big upside potential with this particular project. So this is the website here. As we can see, the new Web3 for a decentralized internet. It's really nice. Flux provides the critical high availability infrastructure for the new internet, it says. Projects and development teams are not forced to rely on the Flux blockchain to utilize Flux operating system, so they have access to necessary infrastructure while maintaining all the unique properties of their own chains. So it's pretty nice if you want to like build a dApp or run a network or even run nodes. As you can see here into the white papers, it's a suite of decentralized computing services and blockchains as a service solutions together to offer an interoperable decentralized AWS-like development environment. So here we can see Flux nodes currently host blockchain focused projects such as hosting backend services for Zelcore, Cadena and Cadena Swap infrastructure. As you see, additional rewards paid in Cadena to node ops. There's a few other things here. So Flux is always looking for new partners to build out the dApp's offering, including services like secure data storage, etc, etc. Another interesting thing is with the nodes, the Flux nodes operations. Well, what is a node? I mean, there's lots of other networks out there. For example, Pocket Network. They have thousands of nodes, in fact more than Bitcoin. And a Flux node, it operates supply dedicated computing power. So this generates rewards in Flux for powering the network. There are multiple options for supplying computing power, including renting from a VPS provider, renting a dedicated server to host multiple Flux nodes, or purchasing a server outright and hosting it on a data center or well-equipped home office. So you can see here are the different sort of requirements. Here are the different levels of nodes that you can run. So quite interesting to see that actually right here. So right now, looking really good. We're flashing green on the market. 48.1k Bitcoin price at the moment. We can see a lot of infrastructure coins are up, whereas a few of the others are down. And yeah, that looks really nice. ADA doing good. DOT, SOL, ETH consolidating at this particular level, just where we'd want it to. Fear and greed index, we're still pretty fearful, but can you blame it? The world is falling to pieces. And this is the price of Flux, $1.44. Not too bad. Rank 178, 328 million market cap. And you can see we have a very small trading volume of literally, looks like less than about 3% of the market cap. So not huge trading going on, which is absolutely fine. And on the exchange side of things, we are launched on Binance, we are launched on DigiFinex, but there are a few others, of course, where it has not yet been launched. So there are still potential for this coin to go pretty crazy upon a launching scenario. So let's hop into the price action. We can see here, let's go to the daily time frame. We're sort of just trying to retest this bull market support band right here, and we have an ascending triangle which we're currently trading within. So as you can see, ascending triangle is a bullish chart pattern. Usually we do see a breakout to the upside here, but what's very interesting is where we found support on the Fibonacci retracement side. As you can see here, I'm not really liking the color of that 0.618. I'm just going to quickly change it to a light blue. Yeah, that'll do. So you can see we've come to just below that 0.618 Fibonacci level. So usually a really good undervaluation reaccumulation zone here for that particular bull market retracement. So on the daily time frame, it's pretty clear to see that we are producing these higher lows as well as the horizontal resistance right here. And I think if we do break to the upside here, we're going to see at least a retest of the resistance over at $1.67. So that's the target, is that we do come back to $154, we break to the upside at $1.67. Of course, we can break down and come to the support level at $1.25 as well. The previous large area of support here written in from the 25th of February. But I do think there is big potential for this layer 2, and even if we were to look at the fib extension and assume this was the market cycle bottom, we could look at these bigger price targets over at $4.67 for the next bull run or the altcoin season, or even just by 2025 if you want to give it a long-term target. $4.70 is very achievable, maybe even more, because we've got a very low market cap of just 328 million. So a 10x is also extremely achievable with this particular project. So really, we're putting through the lower highs. We still haven't put through a high. Until we do, I think that would be very interesting to see that happen. For me, lots of resistance here as well, as you see around this $2.08 level, but that will also mean that we'll be putting through slowly higher highs, which is very detrimental, and we can only do that once we kind of come across that $2.10 level on the price action side of things. So MACD looking pretty good. It's not really indicating anything bearish. The RSI is also looking pretty good, and you can see that on the daily time frame we just bounced back above that 200-day moving average, which indicates maybe we're going to keep this trend. Of course, the long-term trend is an uptrend, but maybe we're going to hold this trend as we bounce off that 20-day moving average, which is this yellow line right here. So overall, extremely bullish on the vision and the developments of Flux. You can see that we are in an ascending triangle, which would typically result in a pump to the upside. So you can look out for $1.54, $1.67 would be maybe the end of the 2-week price target here, but we can lose support on the lower trend line of this ascending triangle and come back down to $1.25. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Do consider becoming part of the Discord community here. We've got 150 people here as well, all very like-minded people. If you want to support the channel, just give a little bit back. You're going to get a nice ebook here, one-on-one messaging, access to giveaways, premium Discord access, much more. And yeah, stay tuned guys, see you soon.